Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Keep exploring. In today's video, we are going to discuss exercise 2.1 from the chapter Linear Equations in One Variable, Class 8 Ncert textbook, new version. So let's start. The question says solve the following equations and check your results. So here we need to solve the equations, get the value of x and also check whether the value of x is correct or not. So let's start. So the first question says 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. So we can solve this equation using the balancing method or the transposition method, that is the shifting method. So we will follow the shifting method here. So on the left hand side we have 3x and on the right hand side we have 2x plus 18. The general procedure to solve an equation is to bring all the variables towards the left hand side and all the numericals towards the right hand side. So 3x will be as it is. So 2x is to be shifted towards the left side. So 2x is added on the right side. When it comes to the left hand side, it becomes subtraction. So 3x minus 2x equals to 18. Next, we need to simplify this. So 3x minus 2x, it becomes x equals to 18. Now, we will verify whether x equals to 18 is the solution of the equation or not. For this, we have to equate left hand side with right hand side. So first, left hand side is 3x. So 3 multiplied by x we have got as 18 and 18 3s are 54. Next we will find the right hand side RHS, that is 2x plus 18. So here the value of x will take as 18 plus 18. So 18 2s are 36 plus 18, that's we get 54. So here we see that left hand side and right hand side both are the same. So we can say LHS is equals to RHS. Hence the solution x equals to 18 is the solution for the equation 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Hence the solution is verified. Next, the question says 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. The same type. So all the variables to the left side and all the numbers to a constants toward the right hand side. So 5t minus 3t, as we know 3t when it shifts to the left side it becomes minus 3t, and here 3 is on the left hand side. When it goes to the right hand side it becomes plus. So here 3 is subtracted on the left side. When it goes to the right side it becomes addition. So minus 5 plus 3 on the right hand side. Now we have 5t minus 3t, that is 2t, equals to minus 5 plus 3. So minus 5 and plus 3 we get minus 2. That implies t equals to 2 is multiplied on the left side. So 2 will be divided on the right hand side. That gives us t equals to minus 2 by 2. We get t equals to minus 1. Now let us verify. LHS is 5t minus 3. So let us check. So t is minus 1. So 5 times minus 1 minus 3. That becomes minus 5 and minus 3 gives us minus 8. Let's check right hand side. RHS is 3t minus 5. So 3 times minus 1 minus 5, that gives us minus 3 and minus 5, that is also minus 8. Hence we can say LHS is equals to RHS. Hence the solution is verified. So the solution t equals to minus 1 has been verified. Moving on. The next question, 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. The same way, 3x to be shifted to the left side and 9 to be shifted towards the right side. So we get 5x minus 3x. As 3x was added on the right side, it will be subtracted when it comes to the left side. That is equals to 5 minus 9. Here 9 is added, so 9 will be subtracted on to the right side. So 5x minus 3x gives us 2x. And 5 minus 9 gives us minus 4. So x equals to 2 to be shifted again. So 2 is multiplied on the left side. So 2 will be divided on the right hand side. It gives us minus 2. That implies x equals to minus 2 is the solution. Now let us verify it. So LHS is 5x plus 9. So 5x is nothing but 5 times x, that is 5 times minus 2 plus 9. So 5 times minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9, we get minus 1. And on the right hand side, we have 5 plus 3x, that is 5 plus 3 times x. X is nothing but minus 2. So we are left out with 5 plus 3 into minus 2, we get minus 6, and 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So here we say that LHS is equals to RHS, hence the solution is verified. Next question of the same type, 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. So we get 4z minus 2z and 6 minus 3. So here again we see that variable is shifted to the left side and this number is shifted to the right hand side. So when we shift the numbers or the variables, we need to change the operations. So addition becomes subtraction and subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. So 2z equals to 3. So z is equals to 3 by 2. As 2 was multiplied here, so 2 is divided on the right hand side. Now let us check whether our solution is correct or not. So LHS is 4z plus 3, that is 4 times z. Z is nothing but 3 by 2 plus 3. So first multiplication, 2 2s are 4. So we have 6 plus 3, that is equals to 9. Now the right hand side RHS is 6 plus 2z, that is 6 plus 2 times 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 ones are, and we are left out with 6 plus 3, that is also 9. So here we see again LHS is equals to RHS, hence our solution is verified. Next, here we see that we have 2x minus 1 on the left side and 14 minus x on the right hand side. The same way, so 2x minus x becomes plus x because x is subtracted on the right side, so x will be added on the left side, and minus 1, that is 1 is subtracted on the left side, it will be added on the right hand side. So 2x plus x, in total we have 3x, 14 plus 1 we have 15. So 3 is multiplied on the left, when it is shifted to the right side we say it is divided, hence we get x equals to 5. Now let's check our result. Left hand side we have 2x minus 1, that is 2 times 5 minus 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. On the right hand side, 14 minus x. So 14 minus x is 5. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Hence again we check left hand side is equals to the right hand side. That implies the solution is verified. Now this is a different type of question involving brackets. So when we have a question of this type, we need to first solve the bracket using the distributive property. As you can see, just in front of the bracket we have the number 3. So 3 has to be multiplied to both x and 1. So we have here 8x plus 4. Let us simplify the equation first. 3 into x minus 1 becomes 3x minus 3. So 3 into x is 3x. Again 3 into 1 becomes 3. So 3x minus 3 plus 7. Next, we have 8x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 3 and 7. So minus 3 and 7, we get plus 4. Now let us shift the variables and the numbers. So 8x, so 3x is on the right hand side, so it becomes minus 3x onto the left side. And here already we have 4 and 4 is added on the left side, so 4 will be subtracted from the right side. We have 8x minus 3x, that is 5x, and 4 minus 4 we get 0. So x equals to 0 by 5, that means x is equals to 0. Now let us check our solution. LHS is 8x plus 4. So 8 times 0 plus 4, 8 times 0 is 0 plus 4, we get 4. And on the right hand side, 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. So 3 times x is nothing but 0. So 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 3 times 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and 7. So 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. We get minus 3 and plus 7, opposite sign. We need to subtract and put the bigger sign, we get 4. Hence again LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is verified. Another type of question, here it is given x equals to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. There are many ways of solving this. Let's see one of it. Now x equals to 4 by 5. The 4 by 5 is multiplied with x plus 10. So we can consider it as a fraction. 4 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. So 4 is multiplied and 5 is divided. So let us first shift 5 towards the left side. So when we say 5 is divided on the right side, 5 will be multiplied on the left hand side. And we already have 4. So we can write 4 times x plus 10. So here 5 was divided. So 5 is multiplied on the left side. So 5x equals to 4 times x plus 10. Again we see here out of the bracket, just outside the bracket we have a number. So we need to multiply it both x and 10. So 4 times x, again 4 times 10 gives us 4x plus 40. So this is a common mistake generally students do. They forget to multiply the second number. We have to multiply each and every term inside the brackets. So we get 5x equals to 4x plus 40. So we don't want 4x on the right side. Our work is to get x on the left side. So we'll bring 4x onto the left side. It becomes minus 4x and 40 remains as it is. So 5x minus 4x becomes x. So x is equals to 40. Now let us check our solution. So on the left hand side we have only x, that is 40. Now we'll check whether right hand side also we get 40 or not. So 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So 4 by 5, x is 40. So 40 plus 10. So 4 by 5, 40 plus 10 we get 50. Now 50 and 5 we can cancel, 5 tens are, 5 ones are. So we get 4 tens are 40. So again we see the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, hence it is verified. So this is one of the way. Another way is we can just multiply 4 by 5 with x, again 4 by 5 with 10, then shift the variable. This is also possible. Now see this type of question. Now 2x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now the same process will follow. Just shift the terms with x onto the left side, that is minus 7x by 15, and plus 3 is already on the right side, so only 1 will be shifted. So plus 1 becomes now minus 1. So 1 is added on the left side, 1 will be subtracted from the right side. Now we have two fractions here. One is 2x by 3, another one is 7x by 15. So we'll follow the simple fraction concept to solve these things. So first we'll take out the LCM of 3 and 15, the denominators. So LCM of 3 and 15, 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15. So our common multiple is 15. Now hence the denominator changes. So 3 5s are 15 and 15 1s are 15. The same thing will be multiplied with the numerator also. So 5 times 5 into 2x becomes 10x and 1 into 7x becomes 7x. So here we say that we are using equivalent fractions. If you are multiplying 5 to the denominator, we have to multiply 5 to the numerator. Is equals to plus 3 and minus 1, we get 2. So 10x minus 7x, it becomes 3x by 15 is equals to 2. Now 15 is divided, so 15 will be multiplied on the right hand side. So now we get 3x equals to 15 twos are 30. Now in the next step, 3x is equals to 30, so x can be written as 30 by 3. 3 is multiplied on the left side, so it will be divided on the right side. So 30 by 3, it becomes 10. Now we'll check whether is the correct solution or not. So first, LHS, we have 2x by 3 plus 1. So 2x by 3, that is 2 times 10 by 3 plus 1. So 2 times 10 is 20 by 3 plus 1. We get 3 ones, so 23 by 3. Let us check same thing for RHS. We have 7x by 15 plus 3. That is 7 times 10 by 15 plus 3. So we have 7 times 10 is 70 by 15 plus 3. So we can have the cancellation of 70 and 15. So we get 5 threes and 5 14s. Now when you add 14 by 3 plus 3, we get 3 threes are 9 plus 14. So we get again 23 by 3. So again we check that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence it is verified. Same type of question. Variables on the left side. So minus y is on the right. We have to bring it to the left. So y is subtracted on the right side. It will be added on the right side, left side. So 2y plus y. So numbers we want on the right side, not on the left side. So 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Simple solution, 2y plus y becomes 3y. So 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is a simple like fraction. So 26 minus 5, we get 21 by 3. So 21 by 3 is nothing but 7. Now 3y is equals to 7. So y can be written as 7 by 3. So this is the solution, and let us check it also. So on the left side, we have 2y plus 5 by 3, that is 2 times 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. We get 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3, that is 19 by 3. On the right hand side, we have 26 by 3 minus y. We get 26 by 3 minus y. Y is 7 by 3. So 26 minus 7, we get 19 by 3. So again, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence, verified. Another question, simple one, 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. So 3m, 5m is to be written as minus 5m on the left side is equals to minus 8 by 5. So 3m minus 5m, 5m is shifted to the left, so it has to be written as minus 5m. So 3m minus 5m, it becomes minus 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2m is equals to minus 8 by 5. So now minus 2m equals to minus 8 by 5. M is to be written as minus 8 by 5. Now minus 2 is multiplied, so minus 2 has to be divided. So we know already, so dividing by a number is same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So minus 2 becomes 1 by minus, same change in reciprocal. So first fraction remains as it is, next division becomes multiplication, and minus 2 becomes 1 by minus 2. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So m equals to 4 by 5. Now let us check m equals to 4 by 5 is the correct solution or not. So on the left hand side we have 3m, that is 3 times 4 by 5. So 3 times 4 by 5 is 12 by 5. On the right hand side we have 5m minus 8 by 5. So 5 times m is nothing but 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So 5 times 4 by 5 is 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5, we get 12 by 5. Hence again we see left hand side is same as the right hand side. Hence this solution is also verified. So here we need to take care that whenever we are solving these types of questions where we need to divide by a number. So dividing a number is same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So this concept will be used when we are dividing a fraction or a rational number by another whole number or any fraction. So at that time this concept will be used. So dividing by a number is same as multiplying by its reciprocal. This is an important concept. Thank you and keep exploring.